I'm gonna show you how to fix all of these. First get this. My aunt gave me this toy. They say to keep it as a early gift for my happy birthday. You can do the same thing with all of these. I'm gonna cut the video so it will be not much longer. So let's cut the video. It was very hard to get this down here because it is so long, goes over there to there. So now we're gonna like rotate this. Oops. Wrong way. Does this actually like stand? Oops. Wait. I have to set the camera first. Okay. Rotate this like this. And do the same in the second side. Same. Have to go there because oh my back. Oh my back. The same here. You can see right over there. I'm gonna cut the video, so I'm gonna show you how did I do it. So you gotta do this, but let me pause the video first. So I'm done now, and we're gonna put the animals there now. So first, let's get this laser thingy over here. You'll see right over there. And now I've kind of forgot. Wait, oh my gosh. Kind of forgot what is this. There's some unknown like animals here. This kind of looks like a raccoon. Oh, this is a koala. Wait, let me see it. Oh yeah, it's koala. Okay. Zebra goes right over here. We could make a different section, but it's better to keep it in all. I don't know why is this even here, but this is an elephant. There should be some water, but I don't know. Because just look at this, there's literally a crocodile. Like we need water. Like unknown creatures. Like look at this. We can't even tell what is this, bro. We're just gonna add it next to the koala. What is this? What is this? Let me take a closer look. If you know what is this, just tell me in the comments. Okay, I think yeah, this is a fox. But what is this though? What is this? This really looks like a dragon. I'm just gonna keep this as a dragon here. There is some dragons here. Let me show it to you. Wait. Let me show the dragons to you. Wait, there was dragons here. Where did they go? They run off? Where? should be some dragons. No, that is. Wait, I kind of forgot. Wait, what? There was dragons here, bro. Okay, whatever. Let's just move on now. And now we're gonna get the rhino. Even this is a dangerous. We're gonna add some details in this. We may have to make rooms for this. We got a bear or the cat, but I'll just keep this as a bear. Yeah, this is a bear. This is a bear. They're just gonna fight. Oops. Fall. But this keeps falling. Can you, like, step on your bare foot, bear? They're gonna fight. Like, look how is bro doing. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. Giraffe. But I keep forgetting those names. Let's move right over here. The monkey's gonna go a little far. Okay. I don't think he's gonna fit here, but I kind of forgot his name. This is the Royal Bengal Tiger, our national tiger. This is our national tiger. Is that a squirrel? Well, what are you eating? There's nothing. Or are you just licking your hands? But look, there's nothing. There's nothing he's eating. Okay, let's just put it right over here. For there's a lot of animals. I don't think it's gonna fit here. This should be in water. There is a kangaroo. I hate kangaroos because they will, if you just hit them, they'll fight over like a Kung Fu Panda. Oh wait, what is this? What is this? Is this a bull? I think this is a bull. And this is lion. The king of animals. What is this again? I kind of forgot. Okay. Let's put it over here. There's so many animals here. What is this? This is a bear, not a bear. Actually, now we're gonna fight with. He's gonna fight with these. Not this again. And this is a cheetah. They should be out, not in with these animals. Because if he runs, everything is gonna break. My hands are itching. Let me fix this. Yeah, this is the bull and the giraffe. And there's 3 more right over here. 1. What is this? Looks like a cat. I don't know. What is this? Polar bear. They should be in ice. Okay, what? Okay, we're gonna put this right over here. Put some grass over here. Put this grass over here. Oh my gosh, it's kind of destroying the whole thing. But I will add something. I'm not gonna tell you now. First, let me add the grass. And now, the last but not least, the tree. Wait. It feels like it's really gonna break. Oh, shit. Now, let me show you there's all the animals. There's the tree. I'm gonna say thanks to my dad's sister. I said it wrong that time because I don't know what to say. So this is the ending. You can see right over here. Crocodile, tiger, bear, cheetah, rhino, gorilla, monkey, and a lot of animals. See you in the next videos. Like and subscribe.